Howdy folks, welcome back to Platypod TV, brought to you by Platypod, where innovation never sleeps. My name is Carsten Lutz, and today we're doing something fun. A side-by-side look at the Platyball Elite, Ergo, and the Traveler. Basically, the whole family. If you've ever wondered which one's right for you, or you've been eyeing the Black Friday deal on the Ergo, this should clear things up nicely. All right, let's dive in. So first up, the Elite, the red one. This is the high-tech spacesuit-looking one. It's actually an inverted ball head design, so the ball's at the bottom and the panning dial is up top. Super handy for level pans without faffing around with tripod legs. But the real party trick is the electronic leveling system. These little lights on the side, you can see them from almost any angle, even when the camera's up high or pushed into some awkward corner. And you can tweak the brightness for shooting at night, which is very cool. And of course, like the Ergo, it's got the 2-button lock and unlock system. I think that's pretty unique. I've never seen that with any other ball head before. Press one button to free the ball, press the other to lock it. No twisting, no guessing, just click and you're done. Now the Elite is definitely the precision option. It's got all the bells and whistles, but it's also a bit more angular in the hand. Not quite as comfy or fast to use as the Ergo, which brings us neatly to the next one. The Ergo. This is the one I reach for about 80% of the time. Same push button system as the Elite, same 35mm ball, same 22-pound low capacity. But it's just that bit more natural to use. The ergonomics on the back make a huge difference. You can make micro adjustments instantly without thinking about it. It's faster, it's simpler, it's more intuitive, and for most creators, this is all you really need. It just feels better in the hand. It's also a tiny bit lighter than the Elite, which never hurts, probably because it doesn't have a battery or something. And look, with the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale going on right now, the Ergo is hands down the best value in the lineup. If you don't need the electronic leveling system, this is honestly the one to get. Now let's talk about the Traveler. This little guy is your lightweight, go-anywhere option. Full panning, like the others, Arca compatible, tested to hold more than 15 pounds, and it fits absolutely anywhere. Jacket pocket, sling bag, you name it. It comes with a Platypod quick release disc and a little bushing adapter, so you can pretty much mount it to anything. The delta, the handle, tripods, whatever you got. This is the one for travel shooters, minimalists, or anyone who just wants a compact second head in their kit without spending much. So here's the quick version. The Elite is for precision shooters who want the tech, especially that electronic leveling system. The Ergo is the everyday workhorse, fast, comfortable, easy to use, and right now, the best value by a country mile. And the Traveler is your lightweight, affordable, chuck it in the bag option that just works. Personally, the Ergo is my go-to. It just fits the way I shoot. But all three have their place depending on your style. Links are below if you want to learn more, and if you're watching this during the sale, don't wait too long because that Ergo deal is a good one. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.